Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Dodge Charger in Need for Speed Heat. This iconic muscle car is a unique KS edition vehicle, meaning it isn't unlocked by simply playing through the game or buying it from the in-game dealership. To add this powerful machine to your garage, you'll need to acquire specific content. Let's dive into the details of how you can get behind the wheel of this incredible car. One straightforward way to get the Dodge Charger is by owning the deluxe edition of Need for Speed Heat. This premium version of the game comes bundled with several exclusive KS edition cars, including the Charger SRT Hellcat. If you're considering purchasing the game, opting for the deluxe edition ensures you'll have this powerful vehicle ready to drive from the start, alongside other unique additions to your garage. If you already own the standard edition of Need for Speed Heat, don't worry. You can still get the Dodge Charger by purchasing the KS Edition Car Pack. This downloadable content, or DLC, is available separately and grants you access to all the exclusive KS Edition vehicles, including the Charger SRT Hellcat. It's a convenient way to upgrade your game and add these special cars to your collection without buying the entire deluxe edition. After you've successfully acquired either the deluxe edition or the KS Edition Car Pack, your Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat will be waiting for you in your garage. From there, you can fully customize it with performance upgrades, visual modifications, and unique paint jobs, just like any other car in the game. Get ready to experience its raw power and dominate the streets of Palm City, day or night, with your exclusive KS Edition Charger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.